everyone, it's Kelly DeFries here, also known as the Crystal Ninja. I wanted to pop on real quick and ask y'all a question. Are you an artist or designer that loves to sparkle? Do you think of a certain person when you see eye candy that glitters? Guess what? Our very sought after Fundamentals of Sparkle class is headed to Lake Charles and New Orleans, Louisiana. And share this video as seats are filling fast. In this 4-hour class, I will help you guys learn how to easily design with Kira rhinestones using our award-winning tools, tips, and tricks to bring your projects to the next level. Have you always wondered what glue to use? I gotcha! I can answer all your questions and will get you going in no time to be able to glue like a ninja. Please see details in the caption regarding schedule and pricing. Register now at CrystalNinja.com. Click on the Classes tab as seats are limited and usually sell out in just a few days. See you guys soon!